Well, hey, good morning, guys. Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. Today I got a really good treat for you. Gonna drive out, we're gonna meet a couple of LMTV owners and gonna go see their project. You guys stay tuned.
Well, you know, when I get on YouTube, I'm kind of like Silent Bob.
That's fine. You know, every time Bob gets on there, I have to do some editing.
Yeah, I saw your
creative editing.
My wife says, "What's wrong with Bob's voice?" And I said, "It sounds like Dave's turned it backwards."
That's right. Hey guys, so here I am with Mike Moffett, and we're heading another Fmtv owner, and we're heading up to, well, maybe it's down to Portland, however you want to look at the map, to another Fmtv owner, and we're going to do some really cool stuff. I think Mike is going to pull a what are you going to pull out of there, Mike?
A winch.
A winch. See, he can talk. He can talk on my channel. He was saying that he can.
If I talk really slow.
All right, so guys, stay tuned. We're going to be meeting up with Bill. We're just going to call him Bill for now. Well, hey, we had to stop at a rest stop on our way to Portland. You know, some background story here. I really like going out and meeting other Fmtv owners. I really, really do. I think that the community is pretty awesome. It's just a fun community for me, and I just love meeting other guys. If you are in my neck of the woods, please won't you let me know. Stop on by the house, or I can meet you somewhere for some coffee. I love these little epic adventures. Where'd you come from? Well, here we are. Let's go see what we can find over yonder.
Mr. Anderson with you. That's a pleasant surprise.
Yeah, I was supposed to.
Hi guys. I am doing COVID though, by the way. So nice to meet you.
And what's that?
Well, hey,
I
Bill.
am doing COVID though. Buddy, how are you, man?
Good.
Nice to see you.
Came over to...
I'm glad you're here.
Yeah. All right, let's see what we got going on back here.
Space back in here.
Oh,
Cool.
Yeah.
Dang, Bill, you've got this. You got this working on, and
You have this
strip
many.
down, man.
I'm
Woohoo!
Is this what a naked one looks like?
right.
It's naked. It's actually really cool to see a truck like this. You get to see all of the internal parts to it
Now, one thing we'll caution you.
without the bed on it or
Safety switch.
any of the other encumbrances, not having to look from underneath it.
I've lubed it up.
It always astounds me what the things that you can find. I have never seen this style of brakes. This is on the rear. I've never seen that style on here before. I know I've been rummaging through Bill's truck here, but mine have sealed batteries where his are not. This is kind of cool. If you have this kind of battery, let me know in the comment. While I watched the two guys work, I did notice that there's a couple of stencils that mine does not have. The JP8, Jet Petroleum number 8. And also mine does not have this. TP60, which is tire pressure 60 for these tires.
There's no bolt head on top.
So this is what it takes to drop that out. Lots and lots of gravity.
Hey, Dave, can you hand me a drip pan?
Yeah, sure.
It's starting to leak a little bit. Don't ask me how I know that.
Well, we'll find out here in a minute.
If there's more than that, I'm going to blame it on Dave.
All right, sounds good. Cover plates.
Oh.
Gonna take the drive shaft off so we can lower that right down on a little. It's get just hung up on the rail.
You know, from time to time, Dave will actually turn a wrench.
No! You mean this plug here? Oh! 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 Look at that! Holy cow!
Woohoo!
Yeah, I got it. No habla inglés.
Well, it looks like it's further, dude.
This is the part that you really have to be careful of, pulling that out.
Well, it looks like that.
Yeah. It's easy to break off, as we just demonstrated. All right, that is a 30 millimeter, and you need a big 30 millimeter box end for that, or something close to it.
Thank God for hard.
Amen.
Hold on a sec. Okay.
Wow. Well, we're all loaded up. Task is completed, and wow, what an adventure this was. This thing is monster heavy. Holy mackerel. All right, so we'll be taking off from Bill Sands' place, heading back to Washington. On behalf of myself and Mike Moffat and Bill Sands, you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys later. All right, guys. Hey, I'm back home, and this by far is not the end of the story by a long shot. You know, this has been just kind of a preview of what's going to be coming up. I'm going to be doing a few more builds with Bill Sands, and we're going to have a great time. I really think that he has come up with something special, something very special, especially for the camping community. You guys stay tuned for future episodes with me and Bill Sands. Until next time, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.